Monkey hear the word algorithm everywhere, on Monkey News, on Monkey Phone, in Monkey Job Interview where interviewer asks Monkey to explain algorithm and Monkey say it is like a recipe and interviewer never call back. Monkey embarrassed. Monkey want to actually understand this time, so today Monkey is going to explain exactly what an algorithm is, why it runs almost everything in Monkey's life, and why understanding it will make Monkey look very smart at parties. Monkey has never been invited to a party. But Monkey is positive Monkey. Monkey used to think algorithm was some complicated computer science thing that only genius monkeys understand. Monkey was wrong. Algorithm is just a set of steps to solve a problem. That is it. When Monkey wake up in morning and make banana smoothie, Monkey follow algorithm. Step 1, get banana. Step 2, peel banana. Step 3, blend banana. Step 4, drink banana. Step 5, life good. Yeah. Every time Monkey follow those steps in that order, Monkey gets smoothie. Algorithm always gives same result for same input. That is what make it useful. Now here is where it get interesting. Computers follow algorithms too. Except computers can follow millions of steps per second without getting tired, without getting distracted, and without stopping to eat banana. Monkey cannot relate. Monkey get angry. Who gave computer this power? Monkey want to speak to manager. Monkey used to think algorithms were just a tech thing, something engineers worry about, nothing to do with regular monkey life. Monkey was very wrong about this. Every time Monkey open phone, algorithm decide what Monkey see first. Every time Monkey search for something, algorithm decide which results here. Every time Monkey watch one video and then somehow 3 hours pass, that is also algorithm. Algorithm optimized for one thing, keeping Monkey watching, and Monkey fell for it every single day. Once Monkey understood this, Monkey started seeing algorithms everywhere, and Monkey could not unsee it. The GPS that route Monkey through jungle, algorithm. The price that go up when Monkey order banana delivery on Friday night, algorithm. Algorithm notice Monkey always order on Friday. Algorithm knows Monkey will pay. Monkey paid. Understanding algorithm does not mean Monkey can stop it, but it means Monkey can see it happening, and that is the first step. Here is the part that broke Monkey's brain. Some algorithms do not just follow fixed steps. Some algorithms learn new steps by themselves. Monkey show algorithm 1,000 banana photos. Good banana, bad banana, right banana, banana that been on floor for a week, but his friend ate it anyway. Algorithm look at all photos. Algorithm find patterns. Algorithm get better. Show it 10,000 photos. Algorithm get much better. Show it 10 million photos. Algorithm now better at identifying banana than Monkey, who has eaten banana every single day for 30 years. Studied banana, dreamed about banana, written score on banana. Algorithm scores 99.8% Monkey. Score 94% Monkey. Scored 94% on his own banana. Monkey took it personally. Monkey feel like attacked personally. This called machine learning. Algorithm teach itself using examples. Get smarter every time. Never tired. Never distracted. Never stopping to complain about his friend. And this is exactly how the AI tools Monkey use every day actually work. Monkey spent a long time feeling like technology was something that happened to Monkey, not something Monkey could understand. Algorithm felt like a word smart monkeys used to make other monkeys feel small. But algorithm is just steps, inputs and outputs, rules and results. And the more Monkey understand the steps, the less mysterious everything feels. So next time someone mention algorithm, Monkey want you to remember, you already follow algorithms every day. You already understand the basic idea. The only difference between you and the engineer is they learn the vocabulary. Now you have it too. Good luck out there. Keep learning, keep asking questions, and do not let the algorithm choose what you think about next. But most importantly, apes stay strong together.